In this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher Error 1.000.7. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So there's two things you need to do to fix this error and for the Rockstar Games Launcher to work successfully. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type virus and threat protection, and then open up virus and threat protection underneath best match. Once you've done that, what you want to do on this window is come down to the virus and threat protection settings section and click the link here to manage settings. Then on the next screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see a section about exclusions. What you want to do is click onto the add or remove exclusions link down here. At this point, a security window is going to pop up, just click yes, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now I've already done this, but what you're going to want to do is actually click the add an exclusion button, and on this menu you want to come and click onto folder. Now what you need to do is going to open up your file explorer. From here you want to find your Rockstar Games folder, so generally it's going to be on your C drive underneath program files, but of course if you have installed the Rockstar Games Launcher on like an external hard drive, you want to select the appropriate drive, whether that's like an E drive or a D drive. Now all you need to do is find the Rockstar Games folder, so it's in alphabetical order, so you just want to look for R, and once you found it you can double click to add it to the exclusions list, just like I've done here. After doing this, close down this window, and what you want to do now is come back down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. This time you want to type date and time, and then what you want to do is open up the change the date and time option underneath best match. From here, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is that the option which says adjust for daylight saving time automatically is turned on, and also the option here to set the time automatically, you want to make sure that's turned on as well. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit and you should see underneath additional settings an option to sync now. So click the sync now button. After doing that, restart your PC and you should be good to go. You should now be able to successfully use the Rockstar Games Launcher. So that's how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher error 1.000.7. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.